I am Marisabel Gonzalez from Octavo E and I will show you how to do a churros recipe. First, we are going to put the water in a cooking boil. 2 cups of water. Then we need 1 spoon of olive oil. So here it is. And then you have to let the water boil. While the water is boiling, we are going to cut a soda bottle from this part. When we have our bottle cut, we are going to draw a star in the bottle cap. When we have our bottle cap cut, we are going to put it in this part of the bottle. Then we need a plastic bag and we're going to put that in this, cutting a border of the plastic bag. Then we have a churros machine. When our water boils, we're going to put 2 cups of flour. We're going to start mixing it until have a flour mass. Put the mass in the plastic bag. Then when we have our churros, we are going to put those in a boil of oil. After some time, we are going to turn our churros. When the churros have a brown color, we are going to put them out of the boil. Finally, we're going to put sugar on our churros. Okay, this is the final result. Here are the churros.